back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're doing artichoke hearts. I've had so many emails about this asking me how to cook them and so on. So, well, today we're going to do it. So I'm going to cook these today with a tomato sauce. Really simple. This is fantastic with some bread or with some pasta. I'm using frozen artichoke hearts. You can get them in a tin, and of course you can get them fresh if you're lucky enough to have them. Anyway, let's go and have a look at what we need to make this beautiful dish. So let's take a look at these ingredients. We've got here our artichoke hearts. I'm using frozen ones. You can get them fresh, of course, and you can get them in a can. The ones in the can end up just being a little bit too soft and that. These are still got a little bit of body to them. 1 can of tomatoes, 1 large onion, some tomato paste, 135 grams, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of thyme. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it, delicious. Okay, so could not be easier. Got a pan here, olive oil in there. We're going to drop in our onions. I'm on a kind of fairly mild heat, nothing too crazy. And we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. So just as those onions start to change colour, we're now going to drop in our garlic. 2 teaspoons chopped garlic. We're going to add our chili flakes and our thyme. Some black pepper. Some salt. And then we're going to drop in the artichoke. About another 3 or 4 minutes, keep this moving. Let's just get some lovely flavours onto our artichoke hearts. Wonderful. Okay, now time to add that 1 can of tomatoes. These were whole and I've just really roughly chopped them. We're going to also add in that tomato paste, 135 grams of. And then a little bit of water. It's like 1 cup of water there. So we're on a kind of fairly mild heat. We're going to put a lid on this now, and we're going to go for that 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out goes the steam. We've got some lovely artichoke hearts in tomato sauce there. Check that for seasoning. You might want to add a little bit more salt and pepper. I'm going to finish this off now with some parsley, flat leaf parsley. And that's it. Absolutely wonderful. Fantastic with pasta or with some bread. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.